Tonight is Women's Empowerment Night here at the Garden. As we get ready for the Rangers and Anaheim Ducks.
What so proudly we hailed at the twilight's last gleam.
Nice pass. Brzezinski shoots. He scores! Johnny Brzezinski with a beauty. Panarin moves in. Zibanejad to Panarin. Now to Fox. And he scores! Mika Zibanejad from a sharp angle on the 6-on-5 delayed penalty. Shooting, he scores! A power play goal for Anaheim has tied the game. Through to Panarin. Out to Fox for the shot deflected wide. Kreider scores! Chris Kreider! It's a power play goal! And the game is tied! This game, Rangers and Ducks tied 3-3, and they're going to overtime. Here comes Panarin with Fox. Panarin moves in. Feeds Fox. He shoots. He scores! He scores! And the Rangers win! A big win for the Rangers. They're never easy, but the Rangers come through.
Confident group. I don't think we ever think we're down and out of. Obviously, you call it resilience. I don't think, in our head we're, down a goal and thinking the game's over. I think, we're trying to get one. Like you said, 20 comeback wins. But yeah, I think we're just a confident group, and we don't get too down when we're down a goal late.